Hey guys, welcome to a Focus on Fragrance channel. I hope you are all doing very well and smelling good. So today we are gonna do an unboxing and first impressions of the Fattan perfume from the house of Rasasi. So let's do this, guys. Show that. Let's remove plastic. So the box is damaged a little bit, I think, in the delivery process. So let's check the perfume. I hope it is okay. In another card box. Okay, so our perfume is okay. Look at the color, guys. I love this color. And on the box we have Fattan written here, Al Rasasi over here. Here they say packing from responsible sources, and on the bottom we have a manufacturing date, which is of April 2021, and some ingredients. On the back, same rasasi and some keep it clean and stuff like that. So this is the bottle. It is a pretty cute bottle. Like, it does not have anything special about it for the bottle, but for the juice color it is totally amazing. I think I don't have any other fragrance which has a juice color like this. So let's see. Okay, oh my god. So the cap fits pretty well. Yes, it does. Okay, so it fits well. And the sprayer, okay, so it does push out a lot of juice. Oh my god, it's so fresh, like a lot of woods and trees and like a jungle, and some herbal notes. And okay, we will be doing another deep review about this soon. And on the bottom they have a rasasi logo and made in Dubai, UAE. So that's all. So that's all for now, guys. We will be doing a full review on this soon, so stay tuned for more videos. And if you do like videos like these, hit that like and subscribe button. See you guys soon. Bye bye.